y'all. So I'm going to be giving y'all the tour. If Q was off, it would be her, obviously. So I'm gonna do this really quick so that I can start moving stuff in. But as soon as you walk in, this is what we have here. So that's what you see. You see everything as soon as you walk in, but I'm gonna take you around pretty much. I believe this little wall here, it will have like a huge mirror on it. But first door to the right is the washroom. So you got the place where you can put everything, and then the washer and dryer. Everything in here, I believe, is Whirlpool. So, you know, that is what it is. And then as we come over, as you can see, we got the standalone island. This is something that Q really wanted, I believe. So that's our first time having a standalone island, but the ceilings are pretty high in here. Nice little fixtures, but anywho, so this first door here, yeah, you see that. Basically, I think we'll be storing Sheba's stuff in this little piece, but that's where the, dang, I can't remember what that's called, but y'all know. So anyway, I'll keep it moving. The Whirlpool, yep, and it is the refrigerator. It does have the good old ice maker action, so a little light, a little cubed, crushed water. You can lock it and all that stuff. Pretty standard on the freezer side. Quite a bit of space on the regular refrigerator side, but yeah. So I'm glad, I couldn't remember. I'm glad we got that. Now this door right here, I believe it's the pantry, but y'all, I can't get in. Like, it's locked and the key does not, like, it goes in, but it doesn't turn it. Like, yeah, so it's still locked. So, I mean, hopefully when we get it open, it's like a bag of money in there or something, but highly doubt it. Somebody just probably forgot or to switch it. But anyway, nice little backsplash action, as y'all can see. And then there's lights on both sides there. We got chocolate. So the counters, y'all can see, are white with a little bit of speckle action in there. And then the cabinets, stainless steel handles. And then I believe this is chocolate, chocolate doors and stuff like that. But lots of space. They are kind of, as you can see, kind of like, nah, they don't, they just shut. So, but plenty of space under there. And even on this side, same ordeal. Lots of cabinet and drawer space. The faucet here, pretty cool, you know, boom, boom. You can hit both sides whenever you need to. Y'all know how that goes. Yes, the water works. Okay, so now, as you can see, we got a nice big microwave, pretty big, Whirlpool. So nice little stove with the flat top, everything there. So I believe we got that out of the way. Oh, real quick, I'm not gonna show y'all that yet. Little storage spot right here before you get to the master bedroom, but we're gonna turn, and as you can see there, this is the living space. So nice spot to let a lot of natural light in. On the ceilings, there is speakers that do work. I have hooked my phone up to it. It's pretty loud. I'm hoping the neighbors aren't disrupted when Q comes, because I know she's gonna be blasting music like crazy. But anyway, that'll be their problem, not ours. Just kidding. But as you can see, like that space over there is supposed to be like a dining area, but I don't think we're gonna have anything there. And then this is the living area. They're both pretty big, so we got a lot of space to work with. As you can see, I'm standing over in the corner. Let me see if I can hit the wide action on by y'all. So yeah, we got a lot of space to work with on this. You know, we can put the TV and everything on that side, or we can put, you know, the TV on this side. But anywho, we'll figure that out when we get there. And so then move on to this next little area. Let's see, right here, we have the nice, good old closet for your jacket. It is the jacket closet. More storage, basically. Nice little top up there as well. Okay. And we're gonna move into this room here. This room will be the studio and what else? Like little business room or whatever. So as you can see, nice size, has a nice window. I will show y'all what it looks like out there, but there are creeps who are still out there who, you know, hey, I know where that is, and then they just show up. So probably won't do that. But this is the closet. It is pretty nice, good size. So we'll be able to have little extras in there. Nice storage up top as well. All right. So we're gonna move forward. Like I said, this will be the studio. So the good thing is it's carpeted in here. As you probably saw, I'm not sure, but it is not carpet everywhere else. So when we're recording and everything else like that, the dampening of our voices won't, you know, it'll be a lot better. I'll just probably have to put some stuff on the walls and we'll be good to go. And we'll go to the guest restroom. Okay, so nice, large, let me see if I can get the fixtures there. Boom, those three. But then we got a nice, large mirror. Got the faucet, same counter and drawer action. Nice little storage space. Got the toilet, got your tub. Let's see if I can get this details here. I believe so. But yeah, so y'all can see those are the little details of that. And this is the guest restroom. Not too much going on, and it probably will stay like that because, you know, it's the guest bathroom. But nice little linen closet, little space, or actually quite a bit of space to put all of that. And that's it on that. And then we'll move on. This, we pretty much got it done, y'all. So I'm just gonna head on back to the master bedroom. And this is it. So we're in the master suite. As you can see, nice big windows for natural light, a lot of that. And a pretty nice size. Let me see if I can get this, get in the corner here. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice size. Like I said though, you probably can hear the echo is a lot louder in here because there's no carpet, but nice wall for the TV and dresser and stuff on this side, or on this side. I don't know where any of that stuff is going. I'm leaving that to Q because I don't want to hear anything. Happy wife, happy life. Holla if you hear me. Okay, so this right here is the master bathroom. As you can see, we have the same fixtures in here, except there's two of everything. Two mirrors and then two sinks. I can't remember the real word for that, but then you have, you know, lots of drawer space on both sides here. Booyah, all of that. Got the same tub and shower, same back fixtures as well. And then you have two sides here. They both look the same. Well, again, with the chocolate and stainless steel, but yeah, both sides look the same on the top and the bottom. So I'm guessing, you know, my side, her side, good to go. And then last but not least, we have the master closet. I did tell y'all that, you know, I was trying to make this very quick, so I was gonna start bringing stuff up right now. And obviously, as you can see, I already brought in some, you know, a few of my suits. But anyways, this is the closet, lots of space, you know, on both sides here. So yeah, lots of space on that side. Lots of space up top on all sides as well. And then you go around the corner, still a little more. So that's what we have there. Yes, your boy is gonna be suited and booted like always, but that's a whole other ordeal. So we're done with that. We're out of there. This was everything, y'all. So I'm gonna cut to the end of this video or to another section of it because I gotta get moving. I gotta get some stuff in here. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute.